Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the shock absorber in a Zanussi washing machine. If your washing machine has an unbalanced load, it can cause damage to the suspension and create excessive noise and vibration in your washing machine, and it'll need to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I'm going to do is to move the washing machine down onto its side. Be aware that you'll have hoses connected to your machine, so remember to disconnect those first. The shock absorber is located at the bottom of the machine, connected to the tub and the cabinet. Looking at the bottom of the machine, here we can see the shock absorber and the two pegs that hold it in place. I've got a peg here. So to remove the shock absorber, all I have to do is push down on the peg and then use a pair of long nose pliers to be able to pull that peg out of the hole and then pull the shock absorber away. To remove the shock absorber itself, simply push the arm down into the body of the shock absorber and pull away. You can then grab your new one, stretch it a little bit so it fits in the machine, and then stretch fully into position so you can refit the pegs. To refit the pegs, you should be able to do it just by hand. Make sure the holes of the shock absorber are in position, but you may need a pair of pliers just to knock the peg into the proper place. Make sure that the pip has come through on the other side to ensure that the shock absorber is firmly in place. So there we have it. One new shock absorber fitted to this Zanussi washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.